Okay. Can you hit the horn? There you go. Oh, that cold air feels so good. So I got the air packs, medical stuff, mask, lights that ain't supposed to be on, and then me, full turnout gear. Not really, unless you got the helmet on. There you go. I am a captain. It says it backwards for some reason, but yeah, it's captain. Backing the engine up. The entire truck was just turned off. Getting out. I don't know why this keeps on coming down. Like I said, brushes are here. Okay, so I've been meaning to do this for so long, but let me get off all this stuff and unbutton the helmet, put it back where it belongs. There's all of that. So I'll put you up there while I get undressed and put all of my uniform back on the rack. 'Cause we're about to go back to the house. Undo this, take this, do that. This is a set of my granddad's gear that won't fit him, so this is my gear basically. So, whenever I become a firefighter, this is what I'll be wearing, because he's only had this since like his new gear since like frick. It is so hard to get these things boots off. But yeah, if I'm able to bring my fire gear to school, middle school, this is what I will be wearing. I won't have no white helmet, be this jacket, those pants, and this helmet. And that's really it. Now let me go get my Crocs on. Gotta go back up 8, and then real quick I'm gonna give a tour of the fire station. Okay, see y'all in a new video.